Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the money rain video transition that's viral on TikTok on CapCut. So you're just going to have these two pictures. One's like the normal one and the other one's like the one pointing at like the camera. And then on the second one you're going to select the picture, go to style, and then you are going to select 3D zoom and wait for it to generate. And then after it generates, there's not a lot of difference, but if the background, actually press the 3D zoom pro one so it looks a little bit better, like so. Then what you can do is then go to effects, video effects, and go to party, and then you are going to find, hold on, oh, it's actually not on party. I'm not sure where it is because it used to be in party. So let's find they have sorted differently this time. So, oh, it's still here. I'm going to add the, where is it? Black flash. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!